Welcome back to the channel. My name's Ardil and today we're talking about a little upgrade that we carried out on this gorgeous Porsche 911 Turbo. So what our client is after, and this is a repeat client of ours, this is actually on a product called Target Blu Eye 2. So what this is an emergency service warning device. So it alerts you by a visual alert and an audible tone of approaching emergency service vehicles. That is marked and unmarked, and what a bit of kit it is. So we've got another video which actually goes through a little bit more about an explanation about how the product works. We won't go into too much detail about that in today's video, but that is in the description below. But what is involved on install of this, first of all, this takes a little bit of time to do to get accurately and done properly. Antenna goes in the front wing area here, cable run fully into the actual vehicle itself into a control box. Control box are completely hidden away, and the beautiful thing about this install is that everything is pretty much hidden. So the only thing that's on display actually goes into your factory rear view mirror. So we're utilizing the factory mirror, and what we're actually doing is integrating a PCB or an LCD display into the factory mirror, which looks absolutely incredible. We mount two little buttons underneath, which allows you to control the system, change it from city mode to highway mode, and it goes from a green light over to a red light as you approach and get closer. All that emergency service vehicle gets closer to you when driving, which is absolutely incredible. So it keeps you alert when you're driving of approaching emergency service vehicles, so you can safely slow down and move out of the way of them. And it's really, really effective, and I really don't like driving a car without it. They work really well. Plus, the really cool thing about this is it's fully integrated into the mirror. There's nothing stuck on your dashboard. There's no wires on display. It's all looking absolutely seamless. So if you're interested in having this system installed on your vehicle, we've done plenty of them, as you can see by our channel, but we've also got a load more info on our website as well. So go check that out, guys. Everything you need is in the description below. But thank you once again for watching this upgrade on this gorgeous Porsche. We'll see you on the next one.